Hello everyone, my name is Athena Zhe and this is my friend Dasha.
Hi!
We are with FacePaintcom and today I'm going to show you how to face paint a bumblebee. This is how I do my bumblebee face painting design. So in this case, I decided to go the cartoon route. So I painted like really exaggerated bumblebee head and then the wings. I strategically placed the wings to make them look like an eyeshadows on my model's face, and then another set of wings right on top of it. So it almost looked like a mask slash crown slash eyeshadows. So I painted the wings with light blue color first, and then I blended in with the dark blues. I did the outline and the details in super dark purple, and then I went back with black just to add a little more depth for the wings. And then at the end, I added white highlights to give it like a really nice 3D look. So for the actual head for the bumblebee, since I went in cartoon style, it's in order to make the cartoon character looks really cute, you want to really exaggerate the eyes and make the eyes super big and a super big smile. So that's exactly what I did in this case. And to tie up the whole design, I added the ombre yellow going to black lips. Well, I hope you like it. Now it's your turn. everyone for watching. The link to all the products are down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends.
Bye!